Most print-on-demand sellers don't quit TikTok Shop because their designs flopped. They quit because of the time it takes to constantly create videos. Now, you already know that TikTok rewards sellers who post every single day. But posting every day means filming every day. And filming means ordering samples, waiting 2 weeks for them to show up, setting up a ring light in your kitchen, and putting your face on camera when you'd honestly rather fold laundry. Or does it? Today, we're skipping all of that because by the end of this video, you'll know how to turn one flat mockup photo, the same one already sitting in your Printify account, into TikTok-ready product videos. No samples, no filming, no phone. I'll walk you through every single click, picking the right template, dropping in your mockup, checking the AI prompt, choosing a model that doesn't eat all your tokens, and the one thing you should not do before you post, because it'll quietly kill your reach. I also have a code that gets you 40% off the tool we're using. That's coming up in a minute. Quick reality check before we click anything. TikTok Shop is not Etsy. On Etsy, buyers search for funny nurse mug, and your listing sits on a shelf waiting to be found. On TikTok, nobody is searching for you. The algorithm takes your video and pushes it in front of buyers, which means your video is your storefront. And the sellers winning right now aren't the ones publishing hundreds of products. They're the ones posting short product videos consistently. And now it only requires a mockup and about 6 minutes. Let me show you. The tool is Kittl. If you've used it for POD design before, this is a newer corner of it. AI video templates built specifically for TikTok product content. Here's how to get in and how to not pay full price, because we're here to help you make money, not spend it aimlessly. Go to the link in the description. It'll take you to Kittl's Printify page. Sign up for a free account first, then upgrade to the Expert or Max plan. Pick monthly, and at checkout, enter the code PRINTIFYMONTH. That's 40% off your first 3 months. 2 things that might trip people up here. 1, the code works on monthly Expert and Max plans, so make sure monthly is selected before you check out. 2, if you already pay for Kittl, you're not left out. The code PRINTIFYYEAR gets you 30% off an upgrade to an annual Expert or Max plan. Both codes are in the description. All right, you're in, let's make a video. From your dashboard, head to the templates and search TikTok. Browse the collection of TikTok-ready video templates. They're all different vibes. Some are your friend showing off her new fit energy. Some are fast product spins. Some look like a coworker just set your mug down on their desk. And this is where I want you to slow down for 10 seconds, because the biggest mistake I see people making is picking the flashiest template instead of the right template. Match the template to your product's world. If you sell dark humor mugs for night shift nurses, you want something that feels like a break room, not a luxury perfume ad. If you sell pastel plant mom totes, a moody cinematic video is going to feel off. The template sets the scene your product lives in. Pick the scene your buyer already lives in. Click Use Template, and you're taken straight into the automated AI workflow. They even give you instructions right on the screen, so even if you close this video right now, you'd probably figure it out. But don't, because the settings coming up matter. Step 1, replace their product image with your mockup. Grab the mockup straight from Printify or wherever you make yours and drop it in. Step 2, and this is the part where you can have fun and experiment. Click on the video artboard itself. A prompt window pops up with the exact shot details written out. The camera movement, the setting, the lighting, all of it in plain English. You can leave it exactly as is, or you can edit it. For example, this video shows the woman jumping at one point. Let's say I don't want her to jump. Just delete this part from the prompt. When your prompt is ready, there are 4 settings before you generate. These details may seem small, but they're really important, so pay attention. First, the AI model. Ryan, our Founders Lab mentor, likes seed dance, and the results are genuinely gorgeous. But April, our top TikTok seller in the US, uses Grok. It also uses way less tokens, aka your AI video budget. If you're a beginner, this model's a good one to start with because fewer tokens used per video means more videos per month on the same plan. When you're trying to post daily, that math matters more than a cinematically perfect shot. Second setting, format. Set it to 9:16. That's the vertical TikTok size. Third, length. Set it to 8 to 10 seconds. I know it feels short, but that's the point. Short videos loop. Loops boost watch time, and watch time feeds the algorithm. Nobody needs a 30-second slow pan of a sweatshirt. Lastly, audio. You can add music to videos for no extra token cost, but it's better to add your audio inside TikTok. It only counts a trending sound as trending if you add it natively in their editor. Add the music elsewhere and the algorithm sees a video with some random audio it doesn't recognize. Add the sound inside TikTok and you ride the wave of everyone else using it. Now click Generate. This will take a few minutes, so while that's generating, do me a favor and drop a comment. Tell me the number one thing that's been stopping you from posting content. Is it camera shyness? No samples, just no time. I read every single comment and it tells me exactly what to make next for you. And look at that, your flat mockup is now a real looking product video. All right, let's look at a couple more quick examples. Say I want a different model, different scene, but writing prompts stresses the living daylights out of me. Here's the cheat code. Copy the entire prompt into ChatGPT and tell it what you want changed. Make the model a guy in his 30s, swap the background for a park, make it feel like golden hour, etc. And it'll rewrite the shot details for you. Just make sure to specify you want it to rewrite the prompt and rewrite it only. My first attempt, it tried to give me an image. I changed my model and the setting, but I wanted a similar aesthetic. Now copy the new prompt right back into Kittl and generate. And while that's generating, let's do one more example. You can have ChatGPT write a completely new prompt for you from scratch. Just show it the original one first so it knows the format Kittl expects. For funsies, I went with a completely random model and scene that definitely most likely wouldn't be the target audience for my shirt, but it proves that you don't need to be a prompt wizard to create quality content for TikTok Shop. Once you're happy with your outputs, convert the artboard to a video and export as an MP4 file. Let's go into TikTok now and do some final tweaks. Upload your video and go into the editor. Add some audio that's trending and fits your product's vibe. Add a short text overlay, something punchy like, POV, you found the only shirt you'll be wearing this summer. Then, and this part is super important, add your product link so people can buy without leaving the video and post it. That's the whole flow. Mock-up to posted video, no fancy equipment, and no samples involved. Now, for the promise in the title, because consistency is what actually sells. Once you've done this flow one time, each video takes you about 5 minutes of actual work. The generating happens while you're setting up the next one, so batch it. Take your best-selling product and run it through 5 different templates. 5 videos, 1 product. Then take 5 different products and run them through the one template that fits your niche best. 5 more. That's 10 videos, and that's a week and a half of daily posts in about an hour from your couch in the same hoodie you've been wearing since Tuesday. And that is the real secret here. The sellers who win on TikTok Shop aren't the best filmmakers. They're the ones who never miss a day. This tool just makes never missing a day stupidly easy. Okay, quick recap. Grab the link in the description, sign up, use the code PRINTIFYMONTH for 40% off 3 months of Expert or Max Monthly. Search TikTok in the templates, pick one that matches your product's aesthetic, drop in your Printify mockup, tweak the prompt if you want, choose Grok to save tokens, 9:16, 8 seconds, generate. Export without sound, add trending audio and your product link in TikTok. Post. Then do it again tomorrow and the day after. Now, if part of you is thinking, sure, but can 8-second AI videos actually help make real money? I want you to meet Ryan. He went from 0 to 500,000 in 7 months on TikTok Shop. Top 100 menswear shop in the entire US, gold star seller, all powered by Printify. And the wild part, he'll tell you himself that short 8 to 10-second videos outsold every long video he ever made. Sound familiar? In the next video, he hands over the whole playbook. The first shirt that went viral right before Christmas, the affiliate system that multiplied his sales, the hourly flash sales that beat 3-day discounts, which honestly surprised me. Today, you learned how to make the videos. That interview shows you what happens when you don't stop making them.